Have you ever felt your English is holding you back in life? Don't worry, I was also there, but suddenly I discovered a way to overcome it. Hi, my name is Chetan Singh. I'm an English learner and trying to spread positivity in people's life through my words. Today we'll talk about how you can also become a fluent English speaker by doing practice with zero cost. I was keen to learn this language a few months ago when I started my journey of English learning, but I was afraid of putting myself into the place where we have to spend a lot of money for learning some skill because it is not that I did not want to spend money, but I was not having that much money in my hand. So I decided to look around for the substitute that can help me to improve this language skill. So I finally found out that in this modern age, we don't need any tutor to learn this language skill. We are no more dependent on anyone because we have lot of tools. By using them we can learn this language, and we can make ourselves an independent person in this language for speaking in fluent way. And the tool I am talking about is nothing but a tool which we all are using so frequently for our normal searches, which is OpenAI, or we also call it ChatGPT. It's inbuilt with an option of speaking. If you will tap that option, you will be able to speak with AI. And what you have to do is you just have to tell it that you want to practice your English speaking, and it will give you different topics on which you can speak. Not only that, but you can get the feedback instantly where you need to improve, where are the places that you need to learn about. I also had the same practice sessions with AI. Gradually, I improved my confidence level when I got to know about the different sentence structures and the pronunciations which that AI taught me. And generally speaking, we don't need any resources anymore because you have everything around you. Our generation is the most accessible generation to the significant tools which we really need in our life to grow. So it is very easy to learn anything in today's era. So why you are waiting for any partner or anything which is not truly accessible for you right now? Look around and you will see lot of other options. By listening to me, it might be sounding very normal to you because I'm just speaking very normal English. But when I began my journey of learning this language, I was not able to introduce myself properly in English because I was from the Punjabi medium background and I did not have any connection with this language except my English subject. And if a person like me can improve and is able to speak at least this level of English where I can convey my message to other people, then why you can't learn? It is just about your way of approaching the things. If your approach is good, then you can learn anything from anyone. It's your choice whether you want to choose any technology for your growth or for your destruction. And let me tell you, in initial phase, it will feel very awkward. The words will not come very easily from your mouth. You will have to struggle a lot for making the proper sentence structures. But do you remember when you first learn bicycle? You you did not learn it at first go. You you just fall down lot of times and you did not stop. You just get back to the bicycle again and eventually you learned it. So this is how every skill can be learned. If you want to be fluent English speaker, just speak. It doesn't matter how much you are fluent, it doesn't matter you are grammatically correct or not. If you are lacking any confidence, then just look at me. I am i am pretty sure that I am not perfect. I am making lot of mistakes while recording these videos, and I am not even aware about the appropriate vocabulary words, what to use, where to use a specific word, but still I'm trying because I know if you will not start something, you can't expect result from that thing. You have to start doing things to see the results. You can't just stay silent and expect anything. Most of the time people think opposite. They think first I will gain the confidence, then I will start to do something in life. But actually it doesn't work like that. First you have to start doing something and confidence will follow along the side. Therefore, from today onward, start using modern technology like AI tools to improve your English fluency. And I'm pretty sure after some months of practice, you will be able to speak at least decent English like me. Because perfection doesn't come in one day, you have to work for it. To invoke new results in life, we all need to make new actions. Therefore, I always sum up my video with this line that we have to be the change to see the change. I hope I have added some value in your life through my words today, and I'm wishing for all of you that you become fluent English speaker if you have this keen desire to become the one like me. Thank you for watching up to this point. We will meet in next video with more proficient topics. Until then, take care. Bye.